GMGM. In the last part of our playlist, I will show you how to make complete dApp from start to end. We're going to build NFT dApp where you would be able to mint your NFT through your respective wallet. For that, let's do a wallet setup. The wallet we will be using, which is Slush Wallet. Let's do a quick wallet setup. Open Chrome, search Slush Wallet extension. The first result you will get that. Now I already have installed it. You installed it. Quickly set up via passphrase, then make a password, store it securely. Then as soon as you installed wallet successfully, you will see that extension which is Slush Wallet. Yes. So also make sure you have a testnet correctly. How you can claim from faucet, let me tell you. So here is the site. First one, paste your account address here, get that token. It will take around 10 to 15 seconds, and as soon as you receive it, you will see here. Also make sure you switch into testnet instead of mainnet or devnet to see the faucet. Here you will see that. Now let's make a dApp. Let's quickly jump into that. We have seen in previous video how to set a project and all of the stuff like SUI, move contract, how to set a project. Now it's time to combine all of our learning and see in a practical work. In sources, I have made a folder mynft.move. Then first we have defined module called mynft. Inside we import few important libraries like objects for handling unique IDs, transfer for sending objects, then text context for transaction on details, string from the standard library to store text. Next we define a struct, which is a unique object ID, then name of the NFT, details about the NFT, link to the image. And notice that the struct has the ability as key and store. Key means it can exist as an object in Swiss storage. Stores allow it to be saved inside other objects if needed. Then now let's look at the main function, which is main. This is marked as an entry function, meaning user can call it directly in a transaction. The function taking the string, name, description, image URL, and mutable reference transaction context. Now here we see we have passed 4 parameter. Then we have made a instance of our myNFT struct. Then we use transfer to send this NFT directly to the caller's account. This module let anyone mint a new NFT with a name, description, and image link and immediately transfer it to their wallet. Now to deploy this, we first need to build, which is sui move build. When you do sui move build, it will make a build folder of the binary of all of your contract. Then when you do sui client publish, you will get a package ID. Let me show you how. Sui client publish. So it may take around 5 to 8 seconds. So yeah, this is the package ID. You will get that. Take that package ID and we will use in a front end to call the functions like mint and all. So let's jump quickly on the front end side. Our goal is to learn Move, so I will provide you a whole front end code, but let me give a quick bird's eye view of our front end code. So here it is. In main.jsx, I have imported all the required libraries, which is dApp, Kid, Stack and all, React query stuff and all. And the main code here it is. So the package ID we got, I have pasted here. So we start by importing React, some hooks and the sweet dApp kit. This gives us everything we need to connect the wallet, sign transaction and interact with the blockchain. Here it is, imports, required imports and all. Now we have used use current account. So we have use current account to get the wallet connect, and the connect wallet button make it super easier user to connect. The next is we have use, which is where it is Sweet client. Yeah. So we have use Sweet client along with the use query to fetch all the NFTs owned by the connected wallet. This uses the Sweet client get owned object function, which is we have passed one argument, which is owner and option, and here all the required details. Now let's the handle mint. So now the exciting part is minting a new NFT. We take user input for like name, description, image URL, then we mint. By clicking the mint button, we create a new transaction. Here it is, new transaction, and then we passed all the required input the contract need in that function, mint function. Now the next thing is, so this transaction calls our move smart contract mint function, passing the name, description, image URL. Once signed, the NFT is minted to our wallet. Now, is there anything else I need to explain? This is pretty much self-explanatory. This connect button we have imported from Sui dApp kit. Then let me see. Yeah, finally we loop through all the NFTs owned by the user and display them a card. Each card shows image, name, description of the NFT. Now let's run a project. Let's clear this. Now npm run dev. So let's copy this symbol. Now here it is. Now let's connect a wallet, which is /wallet. Here it is. So this is the NFTs I have minted for the test purpose. Now let's mint an NFT, which says Sui Move Playlist. The description is description of Sui Move Playlist, and let's paste the image URL. Now let's mint it. Now when you mint, the pop-up will appear to sign a transaction. Now let's approve this transaction. It will take around 10 to 15 seconds. The name of our NFT is Sui Move Playlist. Let's refresh this page. Let's connect. Yeah, so here it is. We have successfully minted our NFT, which is Sui Move Playlist. That's the end of our playlist, and hope you enjoyed learning, and I will catch you in another playlist soon.